Hiya, have you had great leads start your webinar and then they ghosted before they even booked a call with you? Now over the next 3 minutes I thought I would show you a low pressure re-engagement method that revives interest and restarts conversations without chasing or complicating your funnel. I'm Tina, I'm from tinasanford.com. Now for over 6 years I've been working with coaches and service providers to actually turn their cold leads into book calls. All of that relying on pressure or pushy tactics or complex tech. Now in every single video right now you're going to get one strategy that you can actually immediately implement after watching. So I just want to talk about something that actually happens more often than we like to admit right now. Okay, somebody registers for your webinar. Now they watch, they're clearly interested, but when the time comes to book in a call, there's nothing. No message, no booking, just silence. And if you're like most coaches, your instinct is to assume that you did something wrong. But I'm going to tell you, 9 times out of 10, it's not about your content. It's actually about that weight of that next step. That booking link may feel simple to you, but to somebody who's kind of on the fence, it can feel like a massive leap. And the usual advice, more emails, more urgency, bigger funnels, countdown clocks, oof. But what I found is that more often leads to like more friction, which then means less action from these types of leads. And what actually is working right now is giving people less to resist, a softer way to re-enter the conversation and one that feels like a connection, not pressure. So I want to share with you our 3-step approach that does exactly that. Step 1, you record a short 30-second video. Talk directly to those people who watched your webinar but didn't book. You can say something like, if you saw my training but didn't book, I get it. Timing isn't always perfect, but if something stood out, I'd love to know what that was. Now this alone opens that loop without actually sounding desperate or salesy. So the second thing you want to do is, instead of pushing in your calendar on them, invite them to message you. Just keep it low pressure, like just shoot me a DM. I'd love to know what caught your attention. Now this shifts the action from commitment to curiosity. And it happens way easier for your lead to say yes, okay? And then step 3, when they reply, thank them and ask them just one clear question. What's the biggest thing you're working through right now? Now, you'll be able to tell if they're a good fit. And then if they are, you get to offer the call. If not, you've still created a meaningful touch point, and this works because it removes that resistance. You're actually talking to them as a human being. It lowers that emotional cost of moving forward for them. People don't want to be pushed. They want to feel seen, and this approach just does that, just that, okay? So if you want to try it for yourself, I'll let you make a little doc, okay? And if you drop the word fast below, I can send it over to you in Messenger. It's a plug and play video script. It's got the DM question to ask, and it's got the full step-by-step checklist. So you know what to do when you start seeing those responses. So even if your funnel's been quiet for weeks, you don't need more automation. You need more moments of real connection with these people. This strategy gives you exactly that.